And when we are touching that article master, the master data transaction side, if anything to be touch up in the SPRO, please do it, Arnav, because many things while seeing that I was really surprised yesterday. SPRO, so many settings
Yeah,
for the
actually,
article master.
most of the things actually I try to touch actually configuration point of view, because it will not, you
Fantastic.
will not find in any of the document SAP documents also. You get the
Uh,
theoretical idea how these things are happening, but you will not get the configuration data, because
okay. So how much
so
ever you know,
that is what
let us
actually
know,
that
Arnav.
I have
That's what.
shown you,
Huh?
right? The control of the structure article, how this view is coming, how the bomb is created, from
Okay.
where the bomb is getting activated. Okay, this kind of
Correct.
information is there. Okay, and
Okay.
means material type configuration point of view, what are the fields should be available in the material master. So
Mm,
that control
mm.
is kind of same like ECC, but
So how much
retail
ever.
point of view, yeah, go on.
So whatever you know, whatever you are trying to make us in the better way, please do the needful, Arnav. That's what our request.
Yeah, yeah, no,
Yeah.
no issue. I will prepare one document that is I'm already doing. So we have scratch document, right? That we are means draft document that we are preparing. Topic there means we have the screenshot and the need configuration. Okay, so I will mention there and I'll share with you.
That's
Okay,
great.
and
Yeah.
the SAP documents, whatever I have, I'll share with you. No worries.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure. Definitely. Mm.
So we are discussing about the financial part. Okay, so how this material is getting valuated in your
Mm.
system. Okay, so
Okay.
generally
Okay.
in ECC there are multiple tabs you can is visible in the selection screen, means in the screen. Okay, MM01.
Right.
But you will see
Yeah.
that accounting view, the MRP view, that is not available here. That is actually under the logistic tab, logistic distribution and logistic store tab. Okay,
Okay.
so if
So
you
even
want
we'll
to
go to.
specify some,
Okay,
yeah,
okay. So we'll start from the basic data itself. I mean,
okay,
your information is good. Actually, if you just go to the basic data, all the views, whatever it's a
E-
new thing, we'll just try to notice and we will ask the questions.
and here we have component, okay, and you can basic unit of measure, okay, either you will want to order it as a you want to manage your inventory as a piece or
Yeah,
each or kg or gram. So that details you put, okay,
the alternative unit
and here
measurement.
is,
This is yeah. This is alternative unit measurement
yeah,
where we are maintaining, right? Okay.
yeah, alternative unit of measure, you can go to the additional data also, here also you can use. Okay, now
Mm.
here unit of measure you can give the control. Okay, so if you want to convert 1 kg into 100 pieces or 10 pieces, so that conversion you can put here.
So in addition to that, we can add a UPC or EN code also, right? The barcode.
Yeah, EN code also
That
there,
is a
but EN
must.
functionality is something customer specific. So I have something for you actually. EN data. Okay, so I have. You are ever right that that is unique digit or the code number that is specifically for means European region. They used to track through the EN number. Okay,
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
European
sometimes
universal
article.
it is
article
13
number
digit.
actually.
The European article number or universal, yeah, part.
Universal
Universal
article.
article number, yeah, so
Yeah.
barcode number. Okay, so that is kind of give their means that is actually used for the auditing purpose. Okay, so
But when
some
scanning and
control,
all, this is important, right, Arnab? See, there is
it
a
is
there is a
important, but
article related.
that depends on your specific business requirement. Okay, so if you have your retail company in the European region, so here you need to define different EN number. Okay, if it is located in the Asia specific region, so you need to, but it is not
Arnab,
mandatory, so that is why I have not mentioned here. Okay,
Arnab, then pass how they are managing. Pass any of they will capture the barcode only, right?
yeah,
So pass how
pause.
they are.
If you assign the EN number, if you assign the EN number, and same EN number has to reflect in your POS system, right? So
Mm-hmm.
article will be linked with one EN number, and it will means we will send the details POS outbound through outbound profile. We will send the details to POS. Okay, now suppose you are doing the means you are selling the product based on the EN code. Okay, suppose in barcode scanner the 13 digit number, if it is matched, so it will comply with that the actual material that is going to be sold to customer. Okay, so that is the purpose of EN. Let me show you one of the things I have document.
What is the maximum digits of the article number here, now? Retail?
That is means 18 is I have seen,
Okay.
so that number range you can use your
You are telling that EAN code or the article code?
EN code. I'm
No, no, article code it is more than 40 now in HANA. It is more than
Correct.
40 or something. It's more than 40. It is not 18. It is more than 40. EAN is also, I'm not sure actually. That is also more than 13 digit or something. 16 digits something. I'm not sure.
That
Yes,
is the
the
globally
EAN
used.
code
Yes.
only. Yeah, this EAN code we are passing to POS. In the POS, whenever they are selling the goods, they are scanning the barcode. By scanning the barcode, system is understanding that this is this particular.
I'll request you.
That is the thing, right? How it is happening.
Yeah,
I
1 minute.
hear the
I'm
price
just
under there.
now layout module. So this material is assigned to that layout module. So that is what it is showing here.
So if it has a layout model, then this tab will come, right? Otherwise, I'm not seeing this tab anyway. Layout model.
Mm-hmm.
uh,
Yeah,
If
layout
the
module
article is
will
listed,
come
yeah,
under
as
listed
per
as well. Yeah, so
full salary
listing also you
system.
will see that view if it is listed to
Okay.
which plant, and but a layout module will come here. Okay, and in table level also you can see. I'm not sure the additional data. It is something some sales unit, some sequence number you can put here. Okay, maybe if they use any sequence to manage their stock, so sequence number. So it is. I'll see once what is the sequence. Okay,
Okay.
some of the basic information, so requirement group, so that view you will get it from the another tab, DC level also. So it is kind of header level data. Okay, so if you maintain it, so it will play a role in the replenishment process. Okay, but it is also there in the DC level also, logistic general tab, that will show you some basic data text. Okay, if you want to maintain any text for that item. Okay, so some basic information. Purchase order text also you can mention, right? Purchase order also you can define the text. Okay, for which that material is required, or any additional information. Okay, some text information you can manage here. Sales text is maintained only if the distribution change in entered. Okay, so I have not given any. Yeah, you see. So in a sales org level, if you want to maintain any text for that item, so you can maintain here. And inspection text. Okay, so inspection related text you can maintain here. So
Good.
this is the
Yeah.
means header level data of a material. Okay, so basic general data, basic data for the item.
Click on the
But
main data.
usually all
Yeah.
these, yes, the requirement related thing, the target stock, reorder point, all of these actually, if the material is managed in the DC level, so from requirement planning point of view, we can give the input that data in the different tab.
So coming back to basic data, this assignment to article hierarchy. What are the state of information are now?
Yeah, so
Yeah,
that
we
I
can
will
go. We
show
can go
you.
ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, so today we'll discuss about the merchandise hierarchy and the article hierarchy. Okay, so
Okay.
merchandise category you understood, right? From it is from buyer's point of view, means store point of view. If store is procuring from vendor, and how their inventory will be managed and how this will be. So it is a kind of subset of hierarchy. Okay, so article hierarchy is one of the thing, and the merchandise hierarchy is one of the thing. But
Okay.
merchandise hierarchy mostly how you are managing your inventory. So it is a kind of buyer's point of view, and also article hierarchy used in the sales document. Okay, so it is more on customer point of view. Okay, but these two elements we needs to be there for managing the store. Okay, hierarchy we need to define in the system.
We have to just to take
So
care of that. I mean, when we are discussing that article hierarchy, that is, as you told, for the merchandise hierarchy, right?
no, article hierarchy is different. Merchandise hierarchy is how you're managing your merchandise in your system, in your store or DC. Okay, that is a
Okay.
kind of buyer. Means who is the buyer? If store is a buyer, then store will manage their inventory, right? So kind of procurement point of view. Okay,
Okay.
and article hierarchy is something that is customer point of view. How they are getting their article, how they are choosing and getting their product, means how customer is looking the product from the store. So that customer point of view, the article hierarchy is required.
And then this is
Okay,
simply related to the product hierarchy what we have in the ECC, right?
yeah, more or less same. These are identical. Okay, kind of identical. Okay, suppose
Okay.
I am selling dairy product. Okay, so if dairy product is merchandise category, then the product which customer is, suppose dairy, in dairy product what we have butter, we have milk. Okay, we have cheese. Okay, so
Hmm.
that part of article hierarchy. Okay,
Okay. Fine. Fine. Anyway, when we are discussing in this more detailing, we'll touch it. No issues. Yeah.
yeah, here some of the grouping is there. So material group is one of the thing. Okay, important point. Okay, and product
Oh,
hierarchy
again,
is
there is a
there
product
in this.
hierarchy. Article hierarchy is
Okay,
separate here. Product hierarchy again separate. Okay.
Yeah, and if it is created from any reference article, so the reference article will reflect here, and material type that you are giving in the initial screen. Okay, and price brand category. So I've not used it. If there is any price band, okay, so if they want to segregate their like it is a upper price brand, okay, item, okay. So mostly
Okay.
all of this field are used for the in reporting purpose, you can say. But I'm not
Okay.
sure whether it directly it has any implication on the pricing and promotion. But managing
Okay.
your
Yeah.
goods in your inventory, so that field will help for reporting purpose.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Can you click the tax
and
data? No? Yeah. You can come down,
yeah,
please.